Hello dear traders, I'm Maria Stradop and this is the review of crypto analytics from fx.co. It's the 19th of June today, Monday, and in our today's review we'll discuss how Bitcoin and Ethereum ended the previous trading week and what's gonna happen next amid the crypto markets losing its investors and capitalization. And we will start with an article by Artem Petrenko and Bitcoin. The article was written on Friday, and they are the results of the end of last trading week. So, over the past 3 months, activity in the cryptocurrency market has significantly declined. And after reaching a price high at 31,000, interest in digital assets began to wane. And the trading volumes in the Bitcoin market barely reach $15 billion. Nevertheless, the overall market capitalization of the crypto market remains confidently near the $1 trillion mark. And it seems that Bitcoin loses its ground and fundamental events and news also fail to impact the price trend of Bitcoin. A vivid example of this is the worsening downward trend in the crypto market despite positive inflation data and actions by the Federal Reserve. And Bitcoin experienced a bearish breakdown of $26,000 due to low trading activity and pessimistic sentiments in the crypto market. Regarding market sentiment, it's worth noting that the most negative expectations regarding the future of crypto market have been present since March 2020. And the situation significantly worsened in the past 1.5 months when the Securities and Exchange Commission made several high-profile statements and equated crypto assets from the top 15 to securities. In addition to this, the regulator initiated legal actions against the largest crypto exchanges operating in the US. As it is known, a significant percentage of crypto bulls were located in the US. As a result of all aforementioned factors, the correlation between Bitcoin and key stock index and the S&P has been completely lost. But despite all the overall negative sentiment in the crypto market, fundamental interest in the assets has not declined. For example, BlackRock Capital has officially filed an application for a spot Bitcoin ETF, and this is happening against the backdrop of a significant increase in the stake of Morgan Stanley and Fidelity in MicroStrategy stocks, indicating that institutional investors are seeking alternative investment routes in crypto assets. As for technical picture, let's have a look at the chart at the moment of Friday midday. Bitcoin was attempting to establish itself above 25,500 support level. At the same time, there was an increase in daily trading volumes up to $14 billion. And the upward surge of Bitcoin was triggered by the price drop to the lower boundary of the support area at 4,625,000. And it's worth noting that buyers failed to absorb bearish volumes, highlighting the absence of strong buying pressure. Meanwhile, technical metrics indicate the completion of a short-term impulse that allowed Bitcoin to recover above 25,500, which means that a downward movement may resume in the near future. In such a scenario, Bitcoin will not be able to hold and establish itself above 25,500 level, and a retest of 24,600 level is likely to be expected, which will eventually lead to a breakdown of this threshold. So making a conclusion, Artem says that the 24,625,000 range is gradually losing its relevance. Bitcoin bulls continue to lose ground in trading volumes, while the main focus of sellers is shifting to the 21,000 range, where a massive accumulation of Bitcoin positions took place. However, despite bearish trends in the market, declines will be interspersed with long consolidation periods necessary for volume accumulations. Okay, let's have a look at the chart of Bitcoin for the moment. It's the 19th of June, and well, let's have a look at what was happening with Bitcoin during the weekend. So on Friday, Bitcoin was around 25,500 level, and in the second half of the day it went up and reached 26,300, then went a little higher and reached 26,600 level. And overall the weekend it was trading in this very range, 26,300, 26,600. And Bitcoin opened today, the 19th of June, at the point 26,370, and now it is trading at the point 26,382. Well, so far at the moment, what can we say? That Bitcoin so far holds that very important level 25,500, and moreover it's quite far above it. But the trading week has just begun, and there can be some significant price movements. And now let's get to another article by Ralph Shedler and say a couple of words about Ethereum. The article was also written on Friday, and Ethereum rebounded in the short term as Bitcoin bounced back, and at the moment of the writing it was trading at 1,676. And after a massive sell-off, a rebound was natural, Ralph says. It could test and retest the near-term resistance levels before dropping deeper. The rate turned to the upside after failing to reach the 1,608 and challenged the point 1,681. This represents the first resistance level, and the 1,737 historical level is seen as a resistance as well. And technically, as long as it stays within the descending pitchfork's body below the upper median line, the altcoin could extend its sell-off. So Ralph's outlook is the following: the false breakouts above 1,681 may announce a new sell-off. Also, retesting 1,737 could bring new short opportunities. A new lower low activates more declines. Okay, let's have a look at the chart of Ethereum for the moment. It's the 19th of June, and Ethereum also so far holds the important levels. It spent the weekend around 1,740, and it opened today at the point 1,723, and now it is trading at the point 1,720. Well, for sure, it holds the important level 1681, and it is really close, and it tried to retest the level 1737. Well, this is all for today. We will see each other tomorrow in our next review. As usual, I wish you a nice day and profitable trading, and till next time.